Hi girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, it is the June subscription box reveal, and I'm excited. There is a lot of new artwork in here that I think you girls are going to absolutely love, and let's just get right to it. It's perfect for summer. Let's go. I have most of the accessories except for just one washi. Didn't make it yet, so I'm going to put the box aside so you don't see. Everything comes in this beautiful canvas bag. Okay, here we go. Now this one here was on a tip-in last summer. And so she was actually really one of my favorites, and I just knew that this summer in 2023 she would be debuted on the cover. And so I love her. She's in an orange swimsuit. So she's got, we put orange up here. I absolutely love it. The back is this beautiful, I feel, sunny floral that just kind of goes with her and her look. It's got oranges and yellows as well. I thought that it went well with the fence. The fence this year was this year's tip-in, actually last month's tip-in. And it says, live simply, bloom wildly. And when you have both, the planner and the journal, you want them to be able to mix and match and go well together. And so this is why I did what I did. I feel like it just turned out, no matter where you turn it and what you do, it's gonna look stunning in your traveler's notebook. This happens to be an A5 here. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. Here's the washi. So here's 2 of the 3. There will be 3 in your box, but I wanted to do this because it reminded me of waves, since it's a, summer. And then I've got watermelon and sun and all of that fun stuff in this washi. I just thought it was perfect washi. So we've got 2 out of 3 that I was able to give you. And then the tip-ins. How cute does this look? I'm not even kidding. I love the font I chose. And then, of course, just to phase out the beach girl, I don't think it gets any cuter. Okay, this is where there's cute, fun stuff that's new. So we've got 2 of these, so you'll get 12 and 6 of a new pattern. So here we've got a really cute whale. How cute is he? I painted a sailboat. These are all with watercolor. Sorry for the shakiness, heavens. Look at how cute the sailboat turned out. Amazing. Thought it just turned out perfect for June. And this turned out so bright and vibrant. I did another hydrangea in watercolor. And then I painted blue hydrangea so that I could put Hello Summer inside. And then we've got a really cute beach girl on a float. It turned out cute. You girls are ready for frickin' summer. Let me tell you, for planning and living your best life. The stickers, some fun from past and new. So we've got her. She's here from last year. You just got to have the cone and the popsicle, the flip-flops. This debuted last year. And there she is. And then we've got the sailboat, Hello Summer, all colorful with the whale, hydrangea, the fence again. This is also new art where it's floral boot. Got the Jeep, classic. And of course the seashells and the fence. So we've got 2, you've got 4 total, 2 of each. And girls, here we go. I know everyone's been waiting for this. Now, some of you may, if you're new and you subscribe to the box, if you're new, you'll be getting, if you wanted .grid, you'll be getting it in the June box. If you're a subscriber, unfortunately, however unfair that sounds, it's only because your box was well underway. So you will, if you change to .grid, you will be getting that in July. So there you have it, the June planner and journal subscription box. I hope you love it.